Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically calculate somebody's age by their date of birth using this formula on Google Sheets. So type in equal sign, date if, and then you're going to select the date of birth, comma, type in today, and then you're going to close parentheses, comma, whoops. Sorry, let's do that again. I accidentally pressed enter instead of comma. So date if, this table, today, close parentheses, comma, select quotation mark Y for year, close quotation mark, close parentheses, and then press enter, and select the suggested autofill and press the checkmark button, and you'll see the people's age just based off of their date of birth. So if you're confused on how old they are in this year, you can definitely use this formula. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!